Hey everyone, welcome back. Today's video is extremely important, especially for students who need quick money but don't know where to start. I'm going to share real, practical, and instant money-earning methods that thousands of students are already using. Most students don't know this, but you can earn real money online instantly without investment. Today, I'm revealing the methods that actually work. And the best part is, you don't need investment, you don't need skills, and you don't need to wait for months. You can start earning as soon as today. So stay with me till the end, because even missing one method might cost you real money. Before we begin, here's the truth you rarely hear. Many earning videos online misguide you. But today's list is 100% tested, beginner-friendly, and actually works. No scams, no gambling apps, no fake promises, just real earning opportunities designed specifically for students. Let's jump straight into the first method. The first method is micro-task websites. These are perfect if you are just starting and need money fast. You can complete simple tasks like watching short videos, answering surveys, testing new apps, clicking, scrolling, or doing easy data tasks. Platforms like Swagbucks, YCents, TimeBucks, and Inbox Dollars pay instantly through PayPal or gift cards. You literally earn for doing the easiest things online, things you already do every day. This is the fastest way to earn small but instant daily money without any skill. The second powerful method is quick freelance gigs. Don't worry, you don't need to be a designer, programmer, or expert. Students are earning by doing simple tasks like converting PDF to Word, writing short social media captions, basic typing jobs, creating study notes, or designing very simple thumbnails using free AI tools. Fiverr, Upwork, and PeoplePerHour have thousands of clients waiting for quick tasks. These gigs take 10 minutes to deliver but can earn you $5 to $20 each. Do a few gigs a day, and you have a solid daily income. The third method is refer and earn. And honestly, this is one of the fastest ways to get instant cash. You sign up on apps that pay for referrals, share your link on WhatsApp, Instagram, TikTok, or among friends, and every time someone joins, you get paid immediately. Some apps pay $1, some pay $5, and if you share it properly, you can earn in minutes. This method requires zero effort and gives instant payout. The fourth trending method is faceless content creation. You don't need to show your face, you don't need a camera, and you don't need expensive gadgets. Just your phone is enough. You can make YouTube shorts, Instagram reels, TikTok videos, study tips videos, motivational quotes, fun facts, storytelling, Islamic reminders, or aesthetic reels. And here's the secret. AI tools help you create these videos in minutes. Short-form content is blowing up right now. One viral video can easily bring instant monetization and earning. The fifth method is selling digital products. A method students around the world are quietly using to earn daily passive income. You can sell study notes, summary sheets, templates, planners, homework guides, lecture summaries, or digital worksheets. You can upload them once on Etsy, Gumroad, or Instagram, and they keep selling again and again without any extra effort. This is the easiest passive income source for students, where one single product can earn for months. The sixth method is online tutoring. If you're good in any subject, even at a basic level, you can teach younger students online. You can help with homework, school subjects, spoken English, science, math, or simple concepts. Platforms like Preply, Cambly, and SuperProf offer hourly tutoring jobs that pay instantly. And if you promote locally, parents will pay immediately after each session. This is one of the most reliable and quickest earning methods for students. The seventh method is earning with AI tools. Right now, AI is the fastest way to boost your income. You can create thumbnails, edit photos, write scripts, generate captions, make study notes, or design quick logos using AI. Students complete tasks in 5 minutes and get paid like they spent hours. AI helps you deliver more work in less time, which means more earning instantly. And here's your bonus tip. If you want fast and consistent income, don't chase hundreds of ideas. Focus on one method, get good at it, and scale it. Consistency beats everything else when it comes to online earning. The moment people trust your work, your income grows instantly. If you want a complete step-by-step tutorial on any of these earning methods, just comment, "Full guide please," and I will make a detailed video for you. If this video helped you, make sure to like it, subscribe, and share it with other students who want to earn online. Thank you so much for watching. Take care, and I'll see you in the next video. Most